morning, students. Today we are going to learn the squares and cubes of a number. So first we learn what is square. It is the second power. The second power of any number is the square of that number. Second power means, suppose if I take 6 square, this raised to 2. This is called as second power of 6. So, the second power of any number is the square of that number. Or we can explain this in other words, that is, a number multiplied by itself is called the square of the number. That is, see, its value. When we find the value of this, 6 square means 6 into 6. So, 6 6 is 36. Therefore, we can say that a number is multiplied by itself, then this value is called as the square of the number. So, square of the number, we find it like this way. 6 square is equal to 6 into 6, that is equal to 36. If I want to find a 1 square is equal to 1 into 1, that is equal to 1. Square of 1 is only 1. 2 square is equal to 2 into 2, that is equal to as 4. 3 square is equal to 3 into 3, that is equal to 9. 4 square is equal to 4 into 4, that is equal to 16. Then 5 square is equal to 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 equal to 25. 6 square equal to 6 into 6, that is equal to 36. 7 square is equal to 7 into 7, that is equal to 7 7 the 49, and so on. It's your homework that you will find out square of the numbers from 1 to 100. Now, we are going to learn cubes. Cube. The third power of any number is the cube of that number. So, cube means the third power. As like the square we learned, in the same way, the third power of any number is the cube of that number. For example, see, 1 cube raised to 3. So, 1 raised to 3. So, it is called as the third power of any number. So, this is equal to 1 into 1 into 1 is multiplied 3 times. So, the value is 1 only. 2 cube is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. It is equal to as 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 3 cube is equal to as 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to 3 to the 9, 9 to the 27. 4 cube is equal to as 4 into 4 into 4, that is equal to 4 4 the 16, 16 4 the is 64. 5 cube is equal to 5 into 5 into 5, that is equal to 5 5 the 25, 25 5 the is 125, and so on. In this way, your homework is, you will find cube of the numbers from 1 to 50. Now we are going to learn about the laws of indices, that is the rules how to solve for indices numbers. See, the first law, that is multiplication of indices with the same base. If the indices have same base, then how to multiply indices with the same base? See, this is the law, that is, if A is a non-zero rational number, A is a non-zero rational number, it must not be 0, non-zero rational number. M and N are positive integers. This M and N are the powers here, or exponents, or the index numbers. So, M and N are positive integers. The index or the exponent must be positive. And M is greater than N. Then, A raised to M into A raised to N is equal to A raised to M plus N. This is what you have to by heart, that is multiplication of indices with the same base. A raised to M into A raised to N is equal to A raised to M plus N. See, A raised to M into A raised to N. A, both are having the same base. But the exponents are different. The powers are different. The index is different here. So a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to, then it will be equal to as a raised to m plus n. The powers or the exponents we can add it. So therefore this is the formula which we have to use it for multiplication of indices with the same ways. For example, suppose example 1, suppose it is given as 2 raised to 8 into 2 raised to 5. Then it will be equal to, as using this law, it is used equal to as 2 raised to 8 plus 5. This we got it by the law. We have to, for every question we have to write the law, that is a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. In this way we have to write. So this is equal to as 2 raised to 8 plus 5 is 13. Therefore this 2 raised to 8 into 2 raised to 5 will be equal to as 2 raised to 13. We got it by this law. Second example, again example 2. Suppose it is given of minus 6 the whole raised to 2 into minus 6 the whole raised to 4, suppose. Then, or I'll take any 5, any number. So it will be equal to, as this base is minus 6. So minus 6 the whole raised to 2 plus 5. This is again because of the law a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. So this is equal to as, that is minus 6 the whole raised to square into minus 6 the whole raised to 5 is equal to as minus 6 the whole raised to 2 plus 5 is 7. In this way get. So example 3, suppose it is 3 by 8 the whole raised to 4 into 3 by 8 the whole raised to 5, suppose. Then it is equal to, base is the same, 3 by 8, 3 by 8, rational number. So 3 by 8 the whole raised to, it is 4 plus 5. That is because of the law a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. So this is equal to as, I can write it directly here the answer. It is equal to as 4 plus 5 is 9. Now another example. Example 4. Suppose minus 5 by 9. The whole raised to its cube into minus 5 by 9 the whole raised to 7, suppose. Then this is equal to as minus 5 upon 9 the whole raised to 3 plus 7. This is because of the law a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. And the answer will be equal to as minus 5 upon 9 the whole raised to 3 plus 7 is 10. Another example, suppose it is given as, suppose 3 square into 3 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 5, suppose, into 3 raised to 6, suppose. Then also this will be equal to as 3 raised to 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. It can be any times, but base is the same here every time. So again this is here, this we can solve in this way because of the law a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. And so here this will be equal to as 3 raised to 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 5 is 11, 11 plus 6 is 17. So it will be equal to 3 raised to 17. In this way we can multiply the indices number when we have the same base. For the same base, then only we can multiply the indices using the law a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. This law must be by hearted. Now we are going to learn division of indices with the same base. As we have learned for the multiplication of indices with the same base, in the same manner, division of indices with the same base. If a is non-zero rational number and m and n are positive integers, m and n are positive integers and m is greater than n, then a raised to m divided by this is indicating division. Divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. We can use write this formula in this form: a raised to m upon a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. Or we can write it in this form also: a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. This is the formula of division of indices with the same base. Now, for example, just like multiplication, for example, suppose 8 raised to 5 divided by 8 raised to 3 given 3. Then it is equal to as 8 raised to 5 minus 3. Because of the law of a raised to m divided, we can either write this or either write that. A raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n because of this law. So this is equal to as 8 raised to 2 or 8 square. This is example 1. Example 2. Suppose it is 13 raised to 7 upon 13 raised to 4. So this is what 13 raised to 7 divided by 13 raised to 4. This is equal to as 13 raised to 7 minus 4. M is greater than n. Here this is because of a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. Now this is equal to as 13, 7 minus 4 is 3. 13 raised to 3 or 13 cube. Example 3. Example 3, suppose it is 5 by 4 whole raised to 6 divided by 5 by 4 whole raised to this is 8 and this is suppose 3. 5 by 4 whole raised to 8 divided by 5 by 4 whole raised to 3. Then this is equal to as 5 by 4 is the base whole raised to 8 minus 3. This is because of the law as a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. So this is equal to 5 by 4 the whole raised to 8 minus 3 is 5. Example 3. Example 4 here now. Suppose minus 2 the whole raised to 9 divided by minus 2 the whole raised to 4. Then this is equal to as minus 2 the whole raised to 9 minus 4. This is because of the law as a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. So the answer will be equal to as minus 2 the whole raised to as 9 minus 4 is 5. Example 5. Minus 6 by 17 the whole raised to 12 divided by minus 6 by 17 whole raised to 4 suppose. Then this is equal to as minus 6 upon 17 the whole raised to 12 minus 4. This we can do it because of the law a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to as a raised to m minus n. and that is equal to as minus 6 by 17 the whole raised to 12 minus 4 is 8. In this way. In this way we solve division of indices when m is greater than n.